In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a bar graph in Google Sheets. So this is my sample data here. If I want to insert a bar graph, all I have to do is select the columns, go to Insert, go to Chart, and Google Sheets will guess the type of graph you want. In this case, it chose a line graph, but I don't want that. So what I want to do, what you can do is click on these dots here, left click, and go to the edit editor. And what we can do is under chart type, just select the column chart we want, and just like that, it switched it from a line graph to a bar graph. And if we go to Customize tab, we can change whatever we see here. We can change it, like if we want to change the color of the bars, we can do that. We can change it from blue to another color. Let's go with green, and that changed to green. We can do it for each one of these bars if we want. We can customize everything. We can change the x-axis or y-axis if we want. Everything can be customized on the Customize tab here. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're new to this channel, subscribe for more tips like this.